Hey guys, welcome back to 5-Star Lawn Care channel. Today I'm excited because, well, I'm excited every day because it's a beautiful day to be alive, right? But I'm excited especially today to bring to you something that is extremely important if you're in this business, or even if you have your own mower, especially commercial mowers, to be safe when you are operating the mower, and also for cleanliness and cleanup. You want a grass flap, okay? You don't want to be shooting grass into the beds back here like you see. You don't want to be shooting into the pine straws. You don't want to be shooting pine cones, or maybe breaking a window with a rock or something crazy like that. You want to have the ability to, it's called an operator controlled discharge chute, or OCDC, operator controlled discharge chute. You want to have the ability to control that, okay guys? And I'm going to show you the one that we use today. I love this company. This is not a paid advertisement. I'm not sponsored. I just want to share it because I bought so many from this company, and the company is Power Chute Designs. But without further ado, let's take a look at their Power Chute now. All right, guys. So this is the Power Chute that I was referring to. This is by Power Chute Designs. This high quality, tough steel. I mean, that thing ain't going nowhere. That thing can take rocks. We've been using these for years now. I get one for every new mower that we add. Guys, this is the ticket. It uses a cheap replaceable window motor. You can get one for about 45 bucks, right, at the auto parts store. And basically, you just drill 2 holes in your deck right there. Boom, boom. Those are 13mm nuts. And then you run the wiring just like that to the battery. The other one goes up into the switch. So you can see how I have the switch wired right here. So this is a toggle switch. So when you move it, see if I can show you this from my point of view when operating. So when you move it down, see, that's simple. And I love this because you can actually, do, maybe you don't want to shut it all the way, or whatever you're trying to do. So this keeps everybody safe. Okay, you can mulch. It's easy to mulch leaves with this. This keeps everybody safe. When there's somebody walking by, you can shut that real quick and you can keep working. And cleanliness, you want to keep the, for instance here at this property, I mean, if you're going around this tree ring, you don't want to shoot grass all in the tree ring, but you want to make these nice lines. But sometimes it can be hard to do when you're having to watch that as well. So that's what we have there. That is the Power Chute Design. And as always, guys, I'll have links, quick links for you to access all of this information, everything you've seen in this video, in the description. So guys, if you have any comments, if you have another Power Chute operator controlled discharge chute that you like better, or if you've used these, please leave a comment in the comment section so we can help everybody out here on this channel. Guys, happy mowing. I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.